Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys on how to find the right render. So like how to find and how to make high quality render. So compared to other tutorial, I'm not gonna speak that much. I'm just going to show how I get my render. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to go on Pinterest. I'm going to show you two ways that are simple for me and everyone. We're going to go on Pinterest and you're gonna type anime render or the name of the character and add a render after it. So once you did that, you will have a bunch of render. You see you have a bunch of render, but let's say I want to use this one. So you just click on it, you click on download it. So you have the render. And let's say I wanna have a Furina render like the one I did for National PFP. I type Furina render and I got a bunch of render of Furina. So yeah, you can pick any kind of render that would suit your PFP. And once you got your render, you wanna go on the link in the description. So I'm gonna put a link to this website, and you're gonna have to like take your render and drag it in the timeline, like drag it into the website, or just press upload and see if the pins pop up. It's going to take a little while to load the render, but this kind of website got one problem, guys, is that for manga render like Bullock and all, when you're gonna put it here and erase it, it's gonna remove the color. So I suggest you to learn how to use the website. You can press erase and restore, so you can use the smart brush for it to remove something easily, or you can remove it and remove it yourself, or you can go to Photopea with a raster mask and do it by your own. Yeah. Um, but for me, since I'm using an Animander, I can easily remove it. So it's going to take a little while. Be right back. Okay, so guys, my PC had some error problem with removing the background of the last render, so I'm going to use that render. So the Trina render that I saw. Oh, there we go. I got it. So you press on download, and you also got this. So I got two now, and you're gonna have to go on the second website that I'm gonna put in the description, and you just put the render in it, and you press upload. And you can use two websites. So you open two and you put it, and you just have to wait for it to finish. So you have to download it. After that, you press on the cross, and the one that you downloaded, you put it again in the website. I'm not going to show for this one because I'm going to do it by my own, but for this one, since it's the first, yeah, we'll do it. What it's will do is that it will like blur the render a bit and upgrade the quality, so you're gonna have the maximum quality that you can. And after that, you download it, and you can stop here. You're gonna have a high quality render. I'm going to show on the screen the difference between the two of them. Since I got some time, I might do the Furina 1 2. So I will be able to show you guys the difference of the render, and that's how you can get high quality render and how to find them. Oh yeah, I said two ways, so I have to show the other way. So like I typed Furina render, but let's say I wanna type Ganyo icon. Like guys, if you want, like if you need this, so it doesn't have the render after it, you just go on it, you click on download it, and you go back in the website where we removed the background. So hold on, I got a little problem with it. Okay, so guys, I have some problem because it doesn't want to load. Oh, wait, it did. Oh, yeah, I can speak English. So yeah, you just take the icon or the picture you want, so the one you have, the node, and you just put it inside of it and remove the background like I would like we did for the render one, and that's it. That's all. You can easily find any render you need. So I hope this tutorial will help you guys improve at PFP, and see you guys in the next tutorial.